How's it going, everyone? We're here at my home lake here in Shawnee County, Kansas, and we're about to take the 133X out to do some fishing. Got it all rigged up, she's ready to go, so hopefully we can catch some big ones today. Alrighty, so we're out on the lake now. It's pretty still. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. Lots of fish is splashing over here that I've seen so far. I just got on the water. The dock's about 150 feet behind us. Quite a few kayak trailers in the parking lot. I've already seen two guys loading up, and another guy just passed on a Hobie pedal drive. So we're gonna see what we can do. Right here is usually where I get some white bass starting to hit. I'm gonna work on my fish finder here, mapping the area with the Garmin Striker 4 Plus. So we mapped some of it the last time we were out, but we had to head in a little earlier than planned. I have a feeling that this line is about to pick up some green from this area over here. I am seeing some fish on the fish finder right around probably 18 feet, 15 feet. So right here in front of us, the last time we were out, I didn't get it on camera because the GoPro died, but we caught I think it was a 15.5 inch white bass, which is pretty big for out here. It was right in this area when I was coming in the last time out, so we'll keep the camera on for a little bit, see if we hit anything. I'll pull this rod up. Yeah, it feels like we have some green on there. Knowing my luck, I'll be pulling this in, this other rod will hit. Yeah, just on the weight. The last time, this red rod on my left here caught like all the fish. This blue rod caught maybe 2 the whole time we were out, and we caught quite a few smaller white bass and really just bass, now that I think about it. It was mostly white bass. We did catch one largemouth, but that was it. Try to work this cove here. I'm seeing quite a few fish on the fish finder so far. Some are in the middle, around 10 feet. Looks like 10 feet and below is where they're hanging out at. We're gonna slow down here. See what we can do. Looks like quite a few small fish too, unless that's just green. Here's one sitting. I don't know if I hooked him. I don't feel him. Nope. He was playing with our bait here. Put it back behind us. See if he'll hit. And I guess it looks like there is a school here. Sunglasses up. Yeah, it looks like it's a school of fish right underneath of us. They're all along this cove, unless it's just, you know, debris. Oh, there we go. Oh, oh my goodness. What in the world? I can't tell if that's a fish or a... Oh, that's a fish. Probably a white bass from the way he's fighting right now. He's really going at it. Oh wow, that's a pretty decently sized one too. Get our net ready. Come here, buddy. Come here, bud. Come here. There we go. That's a good first fish for the day. That is a good first fish. I got hung up in my other line here because he turned us. Check that out. I hope we're recording. That's a good sized white bass to start the day right there. That looks just like our guy from last time too. Come here, buddy. It's a good hook set. Got caught up in our net. Oh, there he goes. Don't hook my foot, please. Come here. Come here. Put a net back. It's getting in our way. Grab that jig. I just hooked myself. Gosh dang it. That's why I use pliers. There we go. That is a nice sized fish for the start of the day right there. Got some blood on his fins. Let's measure this guy out. Let's see what we got here, dude. Right at 15. That is a nice fish. Take a picture of him. He really worked us right here into the bank. Put that guy back. That's a nice fish to start the day right there. I'm pretty happy with that. If that's the only thing we catch today, I'm not going to complain. Our other line here got all tangled up behind us when he started to move us to the side. See if we can recover it. I hear a speedboat behind us roaring. I saw him coming into the dock right when I was pulling out. Put that green back in. Oh, we just got tangled. Let's try to get out of this stuff. At first I thought I got hung up on something big there, and then it started fighting me. I was like, oh, that's a fish. That was a nice sized white bass. That's a good start to the day. Get this guy ready. So blue rods 1-1-0 on blue to red so far. Last time I wasn't able to get over here by this little concrete dock deal just because there's a family on it. So I want to kind of move over in that direction. Turn this a little bit. There we go. Get this guy back behind us. Definitely a good first fish for our outing. Get our red rod back behind. Oh, that was what in the world? I don't know what happened there. Something's going on here. I think we might be. Make sure we straighten out. Whoa, it looks like some big fish underneath us. See if our blue rod hits. Try to get our motor guide straightened out here so we're not going back and forth. There we go. I think we're hung up here. No? Huh, it's casting kind of strange. This guy usually has a really smooth cast. There we go. Give us a good 30 feet of line. Might lower this guy just a bit too. Cessna overhead. Alright. That was a good, I'm glad I had the GoPro on. That was a good first fish. Morning. Sorry, I didn't mean to encroach on your spot here. I said, sorry, I didn't mean to encroach on your spot here. I gotcha. Good luck. He's a nice dude. A little white bass. Hooked me with my own hook though, of course. I need to work on, or just use my pliers more, because I don't need to hook myself 5 times a day. But nice little white bass. Alrighty guys, so we're out here fishing. My GoPro died, but I just hauled in this big old guy. He's a 40-inch carp. I can't even pick him up to weigh him. I was able to pick him up for a guy to take a picture, but I'm gonna have to weigh him when we get back. I think he might be injured. He was having trouble staying down, floating quite a bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take him out, just because he is injured. I don't want him sticking around. He did break my my net in 2 places. It was not large enough. I'm definitely gonna need a bigger net. But this guy definitely has been attacked by something. It has a pretty large chunk taken, not a chunk, but more of just the skin taken off the backside. So he's been in some fights in his lifetime. So we're gonna take him out and take him home.